It's a great day to go flying. Welcome to Tales from There. Today is October 1st, 2025, and it is a beautiful day outside here in Atlanta to go flying. And today's topic I wanted to talk to you about was the Maintenance Personal Minimums Checklist by the FAA. Now, we're going to go off the very first one, and that is, do I have the knowledge to perform the task? And I've got to tell you what, I have done so many different types of operations that I am not always knowledgeable in everything that I actually uh, accept a contract for. But I realize I have the resources to get the knowledge necessary to complete the task. I will spend my days training for specialized operations such as flying from boats or flying in mountain conditions. I'll make sure that I've got all my checklists together for my equipment, my pre flight, the mission. Make sure that I've got everything from the types of clothing that I wear to the types of sunglasses to bring or a hat to bring to an assignment. I have not been prepared for some operations that have posed challenges, such as not having bug spray or not having sunscreen. But as far as having the knowledge to complete the task, I've surrounded myself with a lot of great individuals that actually understand some of the tasks that I'm doing. And so if you have a strong community, you'll be able to reach out to within your community and find people that are knowledgeable of what you're trying to do and can either give you some guidance or can show you exactly what you need to be doing. It is interesting when you get a brand new assignment that you feel like you can do, but you don't have the knowledge at that time. It's amazing that you actually do have the knowledge. It's just a matter of figuring out how to apply that to the task at hand. So, as far as I'm concerned, do you have the knowledge? There are some tasks that I do not have the knowledge and I won't accept, such as mapping a cell tower. I've never done it. You show me how to do it. You give me the programs to be able to handle it properly, and I can do it. I'm sure I can. However, if you give me something such as like filming for a movie or a television spot, I know that I can do it. I just need to reach out to my community, and I've got my colleagues that actually fly those kind of operations on a consistent basis, and they're willing to share. The one thing I will say is that you're not going to last long in this business if you're not willing to share your knowledge. So I'm going to close with that. This is Tales from the Air, October 1st, 2025. I hope you're going to have a great day. Looks like it's going to be beautiful flying here in Atlanta. See you tomorrow. Bye.